We start with one. Start just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. Anyway, the price reversed and we couldn't get any trade for buy. And we mentioned whenever we have this kind of the sharp drop, it can follow by reversal as a corrective, at least for one more drop before we get the reversal. That means we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time. This is what we discussed in my last analysis. All right. Now the question is whether this is the one is going to drop, or we can expect this one turn to a correction for continuation. Because if this one turn to a correction and for continuation, the only way is to put a orange chip off the top. But the only question is about this. How about if the price sharply take and drop? All right. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame. We start with the daily chart, and based on daily chart, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And we have, as we can see, the price broke 2.2 as a first target, but it couldn't tag the second target. And right now, we want to see what's the next, whether this is the one is going to drop or not. Because if we put this top in relative to the previous one, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, we have to wait. And because of the divergence, there is a possibility price to drop and tag 1.47. All right. We are more interested to look for the reversal, and we are more interested to see the breakout of this zone. But at this point, we have to wait because we don't see any trades reversal. And even if we move to forward chart, if based on forward chart, this one turned to deeper correction, then from there, maybe we can look for buy. But at this point, again, we don't see any trade setup based on forward chart, and even based on 1 hour chart, we can expect this one turn to flat for one move up, then the price drop. But since we get this, how about if already we got the flat and this is the one is going to drop? That's why having entry above, if you want to put our entry above this one, we prefer to put above here. And at that time, we want the price sharply reverse and tag, break, and continue. But I don't think it's a really good idea. We prefer to wait. And even if we want to consider this one as a flat, we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. All right. It doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here, but I don't think this is a really good idea to put our entry above here. That's why we should wait and we see how we can look for trade, or we take the trade based on lower time frame. All right. And even if anyone they believe this is the correction, they want to look for their continuation, the best thing is if this one turned to deeper correction, we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And the best thing is if this one turned to a correction relative to this for one more drop, at least with the breakout of this low, then from there we look for the reversal. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.